Hi boys and girls. Miss Y has tried recording this video for you 3 times and hopefully this is the winner. Today we are doing lesson 65. It is assessment 12, so you're going to see that up here. This is an assessment, so I want you to do it independently. If you need some help from someone at home, more than just basic instructions, if they could write down kind of what support they gave you, because we want to see where you're at and what you're learning and what we still need to support you with. There are going to be a couple places where someone at home is going to have to listen to you read or write down, ask you a couple questions. So you're going to need somebody nearby that can help you out when we get to that part. But first we are going to start with some spelling. Make sure that your name's up at the top. Also, I'm going to recommend that you pause the video in between each word I give you to give yourself time to write it down. Some of you might take 5 seconds to write it down. Some of you might take 3 minutes to write it down. That's perfectly fine. But I don't want you to have a long video of me just staring at you. So go ahead and pause it after I give you the word, and then that way I can move along with the video. All right, on number 1, our word is little. Little. And remember, there's numbers of dashes there. That's how many letters in your word. So if you spell it out and you haven't used all of those spaces, you might want to think again. Remember some of how we code words and things like that to remember how to spell them. Number 2, handle. 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 Number 3 is maple. 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 Number 4 is sniff. 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 And number 5 is shop. Shop. All right. On number 6 through 10, you are going to match the sound to the picture. I'm going to give you I'm going to tell you the pictures again real quick, just in case you're not sure what they are. Here we have a ruffle, like a ruffle of a dress, a candle, a bubble. This one is tricky. Remember, it's bugle. That's what that instrument is, a bugle. And last, a bottle. Go ahead and pause and match the sound to the picture. On number 11 through 15, you are going to code these words. So remember how we code those final stable syllables in brackets? You're going to do that. And you're going to do some brevs and macrons. Macrons for the long vowel sound and brevs for that short vowel sound. And then go ahead and pause and do that also. Number 16 and 17 is where you're going to need to read to someone. So if you're at school, find a teacher. If you're at home, find someone at home that you can read to. You're going to read those 2 words. If they get it right at home, go ahead and mark a check mark. And then if not, you can write down what they said. On the back, this is also where you're going to need someone to help you out. You are going to tell the name of the letters and then the sound those letters make. Right, so go ahead and do that part. You can pause it. And then lastly, on your own, you're going to read this paragraph to yourself or out loud and then answer the questions. And then when you're finished, again, make sure your name is on the top and put it in your zipper pouch if you're at home, and make sure you bring it back to school. Or if you're at school, let a teacher know. All right, thanks. And remember, pause the video when you need it.